When you have set up a view or perspective of the workspace for a particular purpose, for example, if you've set up a particular perspective of a binding pocket, you can save that view for future use. You can also think of a saved view as a saved camera angle. To save a view, click the Save View button on the Saved Views toolbar. To restore a view, click the Next button, the Previous button, or the numbered View buttons on the Saved Views toolbar. In the Manage Views panel, you can select views to show. You can play through views, record movies of several views, import and export views, save and delete views, and animate view changes. Click the Manage Views button in the Saved Views toolbar. Use the controls here to play through a series of saved views. Change the animation timings to speed up or slow down the transitions between the saved views. To save a movie in MPEG format with the chosen playlist, duration, and animation settings, click Record Movie. To delete a view, simply select it in the Manage Views table and click Delete. Note that scenes are unlike views, in that views only save the orientation of the workspace and do not save the representation or entry state. This makes views applicable to more than a single entry.